tell them what ta 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 ta. Can't take this crisis, can't take this crisis at all. Every day them a raise prices and poor.
This is Marakush for Turf TV, and I am sitting next to the legendary King Shiloh, all the way from Amsterdam. How are you today, sir?
I'm feeling fantastic, sister.
It's wonderful to meet you. As I said, it's such an honor to meet you. How have you been?
For me too, it's an absolute honor to meet all the people here in South Africa, you know, in Cape Town. I just came from Cape Town.
Yeah, we saw that you came from Cape Town.
Yeah.
Crosby was actually your tour guide.
Crosby, yeah, what a great tour guide, Crosby, my brother. And it's great to be in Joburg now. In Soweto, this place I dreamed about.
Yeah, is it your first time in South Africa?
It's my first time, sister.
Oh,
I'm honored.
So
I really feel honored, you know.
So I just want to know, tomorrow we're having Gumba Fyah, 4 sound systems from South Africa, the 5th international sound system. Bring that more energy for tomorrow.
I want to see that, sister. It's like a dream for me, you know, because we know Kebre, Ethiopia. For many years coming to Europe and showing us these things and opening the door. You do great works, by the way, in Europe and beyond. Kebre, Ethiopia, I have to mention. Really opening the door so people start to understand that there's a scene in South Africa, something that's very vital.
Vibrant,
that's why I want to experience it tomorrow, you know.
Definitely. One more thing. You're going to be joining forces with another reggae legend at Gumba Fyah, brother Teddy Dan. How do you feel about that? Because that was so unexpected. We thought it was just going to be you. Then the announcement that the elder will be here. So how are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited, sis.
And it's happening here in the motherland.
It's happening, you know, and that's why it's happening here. Because it's important that South Africa have the best of the best. Right? So I go to Ethiopia a lot of time. I'm lucky enough to spend a lot of time there, also recording with different artists like Teddy Dan and performing live with Teddy Dan. And so when the question came, hey, listen, we want you to bring an MC, it was natural. It have to be Teddy Dan. Because I think he's going to mean a lot to South Africa too. His message is very, very clear and very strong. And he's coming, you know, from living 25 years in Shashamaniland.
That's why he's the lion of Shashamane.
I tell you, sister, and for me it's a pleasure, you know, and a joy. Everything for me is a pleasure and joy. I love life, you know. Give thanks, sister.
Catch them tomorrow. Make sure that you are in Soweto Lebu's Backpackers. King Shiloh will definitely be there alongside Teddy Dan. So please come in your numbers. Steppers, King Shiloh has a request. He wants to see it live. So make sure that you are all there. Izanama Transport, so that we can support King Shiloh first time in South Africa. We give thanks.
Peace and love to everyone. Yes. Soweto family. Respect from King Shiloh.
You see, brothers and sisters, everybody comes to see Jah, no matter what race, color or creed. We're all people, yes. We originate from Ethiopia land. We're all people. Yeah, man. King of kings and the Lord of lords. Conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. This is the healing of the nation, Soweto. Lovely to be here with everybody. Let's full joy, let's full joy. Come on, love you. What else? see Jah. All Rasta brethren, all Rasta sisters, here they are. It's a fact, you know. 72 different nations we found before the king. He was crowned king of all of love. Greetings once again, Soweto. Joining the vibe, yes. Rastaman style. Yeah. Here we go, next one. The one called Big Youth Selection, yes. DJ style, yes. Rastaman play with the rhythm. Sound system style in a Soweto. Healing of the nations. It's a great luxury. 72. They bow before the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords in this occasion. Oh, we misunderstand. Yeah, that's original rhythm. What you see is what you get. So you see, so you see how. So the big cat said, I'm in the bubble now. Yes, so we're here at the conquering line of the tribe of Judah. Yes, here is the last yard. Come along, fun. I want to see this famous dance that you do in Soweto. I want to see the steppers dance. Yeah, hear the ball, brothers and sisters, yes. Hear the King of Kings.
Yes, big shout out to Tembisa Turf, coming from King Shiloh, live and direct. Amsterdam family, Tembisa Turf.
Greetings, this is Madam Kush for Turf TV, and I am sitting next to Brother Teddy Dan and his queen. They are coming through tomorrow for Gumba Fyah, the dub experience in Soweto. How are you guys?
We're good, give thanks,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's wonderful to be here.
Yeah. So wonderful to see you. We know you as the Lion of Shashaman, so it's an excitement to have the Lion of Shashaman all the way from Jamaica, Ethiopia, now making his way to South Africa. We give thanks once again.
Really, it's a great pleasure for me to be right now in Soweto. It's such historical, powerful, spiritual, it's words cannot really explain or express, so I really give thanks to be here.
We also give thanks that you touched down and you even brought your queen. How are you, my queen?
Giving thanks, I'm glad I'm here, and in South Africa is my first time. But it's beautiful, and it's remind me of Ethiopia as well as Jamaica. But it's beautiful. The people here are lovely, warm, and just nice.
So your announcement of being part of Gumba Fyah was unexpected, was last minute. When people heard that you were coming through, there was a complete uproar on social media that the legend is finally coming down to South Africa. How did you get involved? How was the whole negotiation process for you coming this side?
It was Tuesday that Josh, who involved in the promotion and involvement in the whole organizing, him called me and said, you could, come to South Africa, because King Shiloh gonna be there and you can be there. So I just say yes. There's no no for me.
Exactly.
It's just yes. It's a great joy because also I know some people, I have some brothers in South Africa, but South Africa isn't a small place.
It's quite huge.
It's a small place.
So
it's really nice.
Has it only been Soweto that you guys have been here, or have you seen other parts of South Africa yet?
I've been here once before, but it was in Cape Town. I think about 7-8 years ago, me and King Kong performed in Cape Town, but it's the first time I even come to Johannesburg and now into Soweto, so, and from the air, Johannesburg is a very, very, very big place.
True.
Wow, very big place, because the lights on the ground, kind of represent the whole environment. It's really quite a large place. So I'm very happy to be here, and the joy that I felt and the joy that I received, and I expected that.
Yes.
I expected that because I know my brothers and sisters are loving people.
True.
Loving people. So I'm honored to be here.
So my queen, I just want to know, with Elder Teddy traveling, coming from Jamaica, Ethiopia, how does it feel knowing that everywhere that he goes, he's popularly known not only as a reggae singer, but like as a spiritual leader to the young community? How does that feel for you as his queen?
Joy in my heart to see and hear the music and the lyrics what you sing. It's all about God, and it's all about love, and it's not about hate. And in his heart is all love and the truthfulness in his heart. So I'm happy when I see that other people receive the music and the message what Jah Rastafari has given him to give to the people who wants to receive it. So it's a blessing.
Yeah, because in Rastafari, as soon as a man and a woman combine, it's a united thing. So it's both a success for both of you, not just the elder himself.
And he also he's taught me a lot.
True.
Also, what others do to you, you don't have to do it back to them. You know, people can do hurtful things to you, but you don't have to do it back to them. Because you always say, two wrongs don't make a right.
True.
Just pray for that person, pray for healing, you know. So he has also helped me grow as to understand or overstand the words and the work of a woman, you know, in Rastafari, and also as genuine liberty as a woman. And he's patient, well, very patient with me. He's patient and everything. But coming through, it's an honour to see that people acknowledge the words, because he's just a man, a vessel, just carrying the Holy Spirit within him. But just to see that people acknowledge that is a man of flesh and blood, yes, but the spirit within him, there is the spirit of truth and right. So if you listen to the music, it's not about vulgar, it's not about, you know, uncleanliness, it's about righteousness. So moving with him and being able to be here, it's an honour and a really privilege to come and see another part of God's earth, what he created, and see God's people who he created. No matter what colour you are, God created you. So with that, I give thanks for moving with Teddy.
Now we give thanks. One last thing. Tomorrow is Gumba Fyah. You'll be performing alongside your longtime brother, King Shiloh.
Yes.
What can we expect? What are you anticipating also on your side? What can people expect from your performance?
Wow, you know, it's that I never really have expectation. You know, I just really pray, you know, and I leave it to the spirit, you know, because at the end of the day, we need to have some nice time before we go, you know. So I'm looking for having a nice time with my brothers and sisters in South Africa, in Soweto, you know, and pray to the Lord that He give me the strength that one day I can come again, you know, because really, I feel in myself, I have a responsibility to my brothers in the continent of Africa, yes, and the responsibility is to remind them that Africa needs unity. Africa needs to be united for our children's future, you know, and it wasn't our ancestors who separated. It's our responsibility for now to put it back together. This is the 21st century now. So if everyone talking about change, let's change for the right things, the best things. You know, change don't just come and you don't have a reason. You have to have a reason, you know. So it have to be for everyone. What me want, everyone wants. Because I want good things. I don't want nothing bad for no one. Yeah, that's what I want. So anytime anything happens, it's always a good thing. It's a good thing when my brother called me and said, Teddy, come South Africa with me. Thank you. It's a good thing.
It's a blessing.
Yeah, because I pray to go to the whole African, I think it's 56 states now.
Yes.
Yeah, I really, to remind, let's put it back together. It's for our children. If you don't have work here in South Africa, somewhere else, because you have the skills and the knowledge and the growth, you know, to achieve these things, one will see it and employ you. More than there is nowhere out. Is sometimes when there's no hopes, people do dangerous things. We have to always have hope, you know, and the hope is unity will give us all a better life. If we have the one Africa, more than you need this visa, this, that, to go to Africa as an African. It shouldn't be that way.
True.
You know, it's time to change it. Because if we don't change it, our children is gonna suffer the same way
That
and
we
have no
suffered,
opportunity. Yeah. So for me, it's about you are my family, and because you're my family, I want the best for you. Yeah. Because all man is man, all woman are woman. It's the way we think becomes the problem. So let's think for each one. Let's start to be able to feel each other's pain. It's not always I can help or can do anything, but I can always feel your pain because I know what the game is like, you know, and we've been there and we've done that. And His Majesty said, until the color of a man's skin makes no different than the color of his eye, they ain't gonna have no peace. Cause the Creator is there. And Christ ain't a white man. Christ is an African, born in Jerusalem. Jerusalem there is part of Africa, the landmass. They won't tell us the truth. But we have to tell each other the truth. Because truth is free. Yeah.
This one just showed the t-shirt. Yeah, so we,
yeah.
we want to heal up all the houses, the Naya Bingi, the Ethiopian World Federation, the 12 Tribe of Israel, the Baba Shanti,
And
Misha, Kidis, Kiki, Sister Jasmine. We want to, all Shashaman, we want to heal them up and they'll say, you're here with us.
Yeah, man.
And for the mothers them, the women them, who are holding it and are holding it, we are the backbone of the nation. Yeah, and this is one of the products that Meshach has, I don't know if you see it.
Yeah,
Meshach, Mystique. On the Facebook is Mystique. Yeah, but Meshach, he prints all these. And is the next upcoming youth in artist as well, and organizing. Organize the other youths them to play music and put their voice out there. So we like, and Teddy's part of that with Meshach and the other youths them. So we just want to big up Shashamani and know that we're here, we're representing also Shashamani, not just as we, but as Rasta people and all the mansions.
And also this is one of my paintings.
Oh, this is dope. So the fact that it's on print now and you're actually able to carry it is a big deal. Yeah. Yo, no, we give thanks for such talent.
Oh yeah, out of His temple, love is the first you require. Line him alive on Rasta. Line him alive, and him alive on Rasta. And line him alive, and him alive on Rasta. Say line him alive, and him alive on Rasta.
Wait, to be Saturn.
Rastafari, to be Saturn. Enough love. Tune in, you know. Tune in.
Tomorrow.
Rastafari, more love.
Selassie, thank you.
Greetings, I am standing next to Katlaho Gigs Pro, one half of Gigs Pro Sound that will be happening tomorrow at Gumba Fyah. How are you, sir?
I'm good, and yourself, ma'am?
I'm good.
I'm good, thanks.
So now, a verbal contract for 250, so I'm only going to ask you 2 questions, I guess.
Yeah, one, it's for R1.
Yeah.
The other question is for R1.50.
And then the 50 cent guy, my shout out, thank you.
Yeah, I know.
So you heard it. Witness Saro, So what are we going to expect from Gigs Pro? Like, we've been following you since the beginning of the year. We already know Gigs Pro sound. Your sound, Vele, it's immaculate.
Yeah.
So what can we expect since you're going to be alongside King Shiloh and Teddy Dan?
You must expect nothing but the best, actually.
Always,
we're going to bring a Gumba Fyah to Gumba Fyah, actually.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Tomorrow, we're planning something for the people. Yeah, for Gumba Fyah especially. So I'm bringing a young gun. I'm bringing one of the best, you know, and then we're gonna have Elder Crucial on our side, and then so Gumba Fyah must be ready for us. Cause we're gonna bring the best of the best tomorrow. We're gonna bring a heavy sound system.
Because we've seen you with multiple sound systems before. Last it was Trenchtown Rock and Ethiopia. Now you're back with Trenchtown Rock, BBS,
and King Roots Internet.
Internet. So how do you feel knowing that now people are going to be introduced to more sound systems other than the ones that we are used to now?
I feel more, actually I feel happy. I feel happy, so and I love whatever that soul is doing, more especially with the sound system. This is the first ever in South Africa to happen, and bringing the artists to understand, and then now people will experience something different. And with I think King Roots, because of he has never been to Gumba Fyah before. It's gonna be a very nice show. Trust me. Tomorrow.
No, we trust Gigs Pro Sound will definitely be bringing the fire tomorrow. As you heard yourself, Tuxedo will be there. Look, it's gonna be steppers galore.
And I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child. I'm a true star. I call her on the phone, she's never home. She's so hard to find. If I should take her seriously, I know she'll blow my mind. What a true star. And I don't like her style. She only looks like a disciplined child. What a true star.
Here, everything nice, man. You have to follow them everywhere they follow you. Then you make sure that everything nice. Ja Rastafari, respect.
And I am sitting next to a part of Trenchtown Rock sound system. As you know, they are such a big group, so I could only grab two. Greetings, my brothers. How are you guys? Last time we were with you, Besser Davidton, for the 3-in-1 sound system, Leaga Kebra Ethiopia and Gigs Pro. Since Les Katiles until Manje, how has everything been for a sound system here?
Yabona bekuloko kubhizi manje kulamalanga, so nathi besamile because bekuloko yabona kubhizi wonke ama-sound ayadlala, so we've been waiting for this one.
For this moment.
Because vele sibonile ukuthi okay right, since vele kunama-data amaningi akhona, we reserve ourselves and prepare ukuthi maybe if kuba khona evelayo for this one opportunities, then we enter such as this one.
So as a Trenchtown Rock sound system, like what can people look forward to sasa mendlala? Because vele siyazi ukuthi mendlala nidlalela ama-stepper, but since there's gonna be 4 sound systems, what are you planning on bringing as your own sound system as a Trenchtown?
Motor plates. Motor plates. Because we're gonna give him very King David style. It's our culture. King David style, we give it to the people, you see. So we'll be specializing in other things, but strictly roots and culture. So we're gonna give, and we promise that it's gonna be good vibes tomorrow.
So how do you feel knowing that Salsa, it's the 4 biggest sound systems in South Africa alongside King Shiloh and Teddy Dan, like knowing that international exchange, how does it feel being part of that table?
It feels good. I mean, it's a bigger experience for ourselves, for Trenchtown, and even for our neighborhood to have this such a bigger event. So we'll be learning more from it, looking forward to it. We will be grateful. Very grateful.
Yes, military basement of sound. Yes, University of State, pause. People in the place. Read your music, what? Easy, Salim Malati. Silence the pause. Easy. What's this international sound? Come Maurice. Show.
Yo, Simon, give me some.
Yeah, big respect to the men of sports and culture. We like it like that. Yes, Alpha.
Shout out Champion BCTF from Trenchtown Rock Sound System. Blessed.
They try to stop us, but we know we got to rise. Oh, let's rise. When them give me dirty vibe, them all go ball. When them see me arise, yo, all the obstacles and top them when them set up. A Rastafari still protect us. We went strong and the powers come correct us. Yeah. Oh well, oh, you can't make history come repeat.
Yes, I. Blessed love and biggest big up to Tembisa Turf TV because you are do the thing for the people. Yeah, man, bring it to them. Blessed love. Rastafari.